Hey everybody, it's Sandra here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go through the Planner Perfect subscription. I only have the accessory box. It came the other day. I did post a reel on IG, so I just wanted to share it here on YouTube as well for some people who are not on my new IG. Just so you're aware, my Instagram account was shut down. They won't let me have access to it, so although you can see it, I can't get on there and post new content. My old IG was Sandra_Karen30. My new tag is Sandra_Dahl DAHL30. So I believe I changed it in the links, but I'll have to see if I changed it down below. Let's go through the Planner Perfect accessory box. So we've got 12 tip-ins. You get 6, 2 of each design. So we've got the daffodil. We've got the boot with the flowers. We've got the tulips, the Hello Spring watering can, the March calendar, which I love. I love putting that in my TN, and then the butterflies. Okay, and for stickers, also 2 designs. You get 4 sheets in total, and I kind of like how this is. So this is spring, and this is St. Patty's. I love St. Patty's. I love the emerald green in these stickers. This one is birds and flowers and butterflies, which is ideal for spring. I love the daffodils. I'm going to use that in my new, I'm going to have like the yellow daffodil TN when it comes in. And then for the St. Patty's Day stickers, I love all of these. I think they're so beautiful. For the washi, I'm just going to quickly swatch it here. I am also obsessed with the washi. Like, I think it's so pretty. I love St. Patty's Day and green washi. So to show you what this looks like really quick, this one is like so cute. It's like the little truck with some shamrocks. And then you get this beautiful green stripe. And then you also get this shamrock one as well. And the variegated, they're so cute. So I'm obsessed with these. This one was dirty and my kids got a hold of them yesterday and I couldn't find them and I panicked. I thought they were missing. But anyway, that's it for this video. It's sweet, short, and to the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in. The next subscription box that will be coming will be Planners Anonymous. It should be Into the Rabbit Hole or Down the Rabbit Hole, chapter 14 anyway. So that should be coming soon. I expect it probably within the next couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys later. Please be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.